Hey crafters, it's Priscilla back again, this time with the 5th installment of my DIY desktop calendar project. Once again, this is late, but I purposely was delaying it because I was waiting for a certain stamp set to be released from Kat Scrappiness, and now it has, so now I can show you the projects. Just to review, I've been working on a calendar kit from Paper Source to make this calendar. I'll show you once again, this was January, this was the February calendar, March, April, and now you're about to see how I made the May calendar. Okay, here's kind of a bird's eye view of everything I used to make this month's calendar. I used several die sets. The bottom left one is a He Has Risen die from Kat Scrappiness. The one above that is the Crafter's Essential Easter die, also from Kat. And the stamp set that I was waiting for was Happy For You, kangaroo stamp set. Okay, let's get started. I start like I did all the other ones. I adhere the black cardstock to the pattern paper layer and adhere both those to the calendar base. And after cutting down the grassy knoll die cut, I adhered that to the front of the card. I added some foam tape to the back of the second piece of grass and lightly adhered it only because I want to tuck some things behind it. Next, it was time to stamp the sentiment on the cloud and adhered that above the grass. Now the fun part, I get to plant the flowers and the baby kangaroo in the grass. Then I added a few of Kat Scrappiness's mixed flower sprinkles. I finished it off by adding a little shine to the flowers, the kangaroo's ears, and the butterfly. Well, there you have it. The May calendar's done. Stay tuned soon because the June calendar's coming.